Jacob and Company. Oil pump rose gold. Main features are Jacob and Company. Oil pump in rose gold is a truly remarkable timepiece known for its unique and captivating automaton. Movement, caliber, Jacob 53. Hand-wound mechanical movement with a single-axis tourbillon and an intricate oil pump automaton. Case size is 44mm by 18mm. Case material 18K rose gold. Dial color gray with a honeycomb grill pattern, featuring rose gold-plated derricks, pipes, and a barrel. Functions hours and minutes. Single-axis tourbillon. On-demand 35-second oil pump automaton. Power reserve approximately 72 hours. Water resistance 30 meters, 3 atm. Strap black alligator leather strap with an 18K rose gold and titanium folding clasp. Limited edition 99 pieces. Oil pump automaton. The centerpiece of this watch is the intricate oil pump automaton. When activated, the miniature derricks move up and down, simulating the action of an oil rig. Single-axis tourbillon. The tourbillon rotates on a single axis, enhancing the watch's accuracy and adding a touch of high-end horological sophistication. Luxurious design, the 18K rose gold case and intricate details, such as the honeycomb grill dial and rose gold-plated components, exude luxury and refinement.